The new iPhone 13 could change the way we look at videoing on our iPhones forever, as it is highly rumoured by Apple insiders that the iPhone 13 will include official portrait video mode. And a bit later in this video, I'll actually show you a hack that allows you to record unofficial portrait video mode on your iPhone X, 11 or 12. But what exactly is portrait video mode? Well, no doubt you're already familiar with the portrait photo mode. That's when instead of using regular photo mode, you use portrait photo mode, meaning that it keeps your subject sharply in focus while using computing power to defocus the background to give you that shallow depth of field look. It's aptly named portrait photo mode as it's the look that professional photographers go for when choosing their lenses for portrait photography. It's desirable because it focuses the attention on the subject while taking emphasis away from the background. And in many cases, the background becomes a work of art in itself. A blurred background for moving images or portrait video is likewise equally desirable in that it emphasizes the subject in the video instead of being distracted by the background. And you can regularly see this look in movies and TV shows. So when in portrait mode on the phone, you can see in the display a preview of what the photo will look like. And to illustrate what portrait video mode is, imagine that the preview you see while in portrait photo mode is actually you recording a video. But alas, the iPhone 12 does not support an official portrait video mode as it simply is not powerful enough, yet, to do this convincingly. So for comparison, here is what regular video mode looks like compared to portrait video mode, all shot on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Pretty neat, eh? In a moment, I'll show you the free app that allows you to shoot this unofficial portrait video mode on your iPhone X, 11 or 12. But it's rumored that Apple will be bringing official portrait video mode to the iPhone 13, available within the standard iPhone camera app. This is very exciting as it means that many budding iPhone filmmakers like yourselves can achieve that cinematic blurred background look in your videos. A great tool in your iPhone filmmaking tool belt. In fact, portrait video mode would go a long way to rivaling the look you can get from a $2,000 or $3,000 DSLR or mirrorless camera, all from just a phone that lives in your pocket. You can get the unofficial portrait video results with an existing iPhone app called Portait on your iPhone 12, 11 or X. And no, this is not sponsored. I wish it was, that'd be nice, but I'm not. So Portait does its very best to simulate portrait videos by utilizing the lidar scanner to help with depth perception. So providing you've got an iPhone 12 Pro or Pro Max, you can actually try this out and do recordings without even having to purchase the Pro version of the app. As you can see, it does quite a convincing job at pulling off portrait video mode. Unfortunately, it doesn't have image stabilization in this mode, but it's a great way to see the potential of what a fully supported portrait video mode on iPhone 13 would look like. If you have anything other than the iPhone 12 Pro or Pro Max, you can still sample this portrait video mode in Portait, but you'll have to rely on the visual mode here to get the effect. It's not as good as the lidar mode and is similar to the results you can see in portrait photo preview mode. Also, unlike the lidar mode, the visual mode does take advantage of image stabilization with this app. But I can assure you that overall the lidar mode is far superior in how convincing it is as portrait video. So well done on Portait for developing this feature in this app. Go have a play with it now. An unofficial portrait video mode on the iPhone 13 would be totally groundbreaking, and I'm very excited to see just how well it will perform, if indeed they roll this feature out at all. In the meantime, watch this video next where I teach you how to get the most out of iPhone's native camera app for videoing. Yes, there's other great video apps out there, but we often need to use the native app for those quick, unplanned videos that we need to shoot. So why not learn how to best use it? I'll see you there. Unofficial portrait video mode on your iPhone.